Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, you might remember a couple of days ago I did a collaboration episode with Just Ate 8 and Chicken Fried Barbecue called Shrimp for the Win. Now in that episode, I ended up making a shrimp and leek terrine with edible sand and coral garnish. Now, I didn't have time in that episode to show you how to make the edible sand and coral garnish, so I promised you that later I would release 2 episodes showing you how to make each. Now earlier this week I already released the edible coral episode, so check that one out. It's only 90 seconds and it's pretty informative. It's actually a really cool technique. I really enjoy making the coral garnishes. But today I'm going to show you guys how to make edible sand using an ingredient called Tapioca Maltodextrin. Now I know what you're saying. Tapioca Maltodextrin, that is a big scary word. However, it really isn't. Tapioca maltodextrin is pretty much the same stuff as flour and cornstarch, but instead of absorbing water, it has a unique property to absorb fat. So what that means is we can take any fat and turn it into a powder. But the tapioca maltodextrin is completely water soluble, so as soon as you put it in your mouth, it actually dissolves and turns it back into the fat. So it's a little bit of kitchen magic, which is why I love using it. Now I know your second concern. Your second concern might be, well, do I need some big fancy machines and stuff like that and some big science lab in order to make this stuff? No, literally you do not. Literally you just need a blender that you can pulse. And that's it. Okay, it looks to me like you're still not convinced. However, I'm going to show you, so it'll be super easy. So just sit back, enjoy the magic of making edible sand.